Hi, today we're going to convert a yoga class registration form into PDF files. As you can see, this is a yoga class registration form wherein once a user fills in all the details in this particular form and they click on submit, the response will come under the responses view in the database. I've already created two dummy submissions out of the particular form, and now I'm looking to generate a PDF file whenever a new entry will appear in this particular responses section. For this, we'll be using an automation tool known as PDF Output. This helps us create PDFs on automation from a Google document with the help of a Notion database. So a Google document is where we'll be editing the template from start till the end to convert to PDFs, and a Notion database is what will contain all the information to be converted to PDFs. We can generate anything such as reports, invoices, contracts, certificates, or even quotations that we'll be generating on a day-to-day basis in our business. So let us understand how this automation will work. Let's click on create PDF and quickly sign in, and then we will see every automation step that we need to take to generate the PDF files. So let me quickly sign in over here, and then we will see everything in detail. First step is adding a Notion database. So I already have this database available on my end, which I need to connect. Then I need to add a document to the database. So this document will be what the template file will contain, which will be converted to PDFs. And finally, we need to copy and paste every property of the database onto the document one by one, which will be used as a placeholder and it will be converted to PDFs. So let's click on add Notion database as we need to connect the database. So I will simply copy this database title which I have on my end. So let me copy this title. You can also copy the title of the database that you would have on your end. Just go back to the selection screen, click on select pages and put the title inside the search pages field. If you do that, it will automatically search the particular form, and let us add this form which we already have. And that is how you add a database or a form inside the search pages field. Never ever use this top level pages to add a database or a form, because if you do that, the experience will not be smooth and the database may not be added correctly at times. So always enter the database inside the search pages and add it. Alongside this, if your database is connected with other databases through relation properties, so let's say the online yoga class registration form is connected with database A and database B through relation properties, I also need to add database A and database B inside the search pages so that the PDF file which will be created will have all the relation and roller values come up. Otherwise, the relation and roller values will not be visible in the PDF file generated. So make sure you are adding all the related databases that are used inside the search pages and add the same. Click on allow access, and now we will get access to this online yoga class registration form which we can use to create the PDFs. So let us wait for a few seconds. If your particular form is not appearing in the drop down, simply reload the database once, or you can try refreshing the page and it should definitely be visible. Okay, it takes a while sometimes to load the database, so please be patient and try to reload the database once or twice. It should definitely be visible in the drop down. Okay, so let me try it reloading once again, and it should definitely appear. So you can see the yoga class registration form is visible. If you click on this and scroll down, you should be able to see all the properties of the database visible over here, which we can use for the automation. Next step is adding the document to this database. So click on add Google document. If you already hold any existing document for this registration form, you can choose an existing document and select the document from this database, from the documents list, and use that as a template file. Okay, but I don't have any registration form document available, so I will go with a demo document instead. And this will instantly create me a new document with all the placeholders automatically added. Okay, so if you want to try it out, you can definitely try this demo document approach, and it will definitely create a sample document with all the placeholders created for you. So you can see all the fields that have placed inside double curly brackets are the exact same fields which we already have in the database over here. As an example, we have class level, date of birth, email, first name, and if you observe, we have the same fields put inside double curly brackets. Okay, so what it will happen is when you generate the PDF, these double curly brackets with the field will be replaced with the values that we have in the database, and they will be mapped to this corresponding field. So class level will be replaced with this class level value. Similarly, date of birth will be replaced with the date of birth value, and so on for all the other fields. If you want to manually add any property, simply click on copy. So let's say I want to add phone number. Click on copy, and you can go to the document and use Control V or Command V on your keyboard. Okay, so you can use this keyboard shortcut Control V or Command V. It will automatically paste the property onto the document. So you can copy paste any property onto the document wherever you want to have it. and it will automatically map the same over there. For me, all my mappings are already done, so I do not need to map any more fields any further. What I need to do is I need to define the PDF file name. Okay, so I want to define the PDF as per the first name of the applicant. So if you observe, we have the first name field over here, and I want to generate the PDF as per the first name. Let me click on download PDF, and it starts generating the PDF instantly. It will generate the PDF onto the downloads folder, as well as it will save the PDF right inside this database. So we have generate PDF column, we have PDF file column. If anything is marked as ready to generate, the PDF will be created and stored for those in the PDF file column over here. So we got two PDF generated. Let's open it up and see how the output has come out to be. And you can see it has correctly placed all the fields inside these placeholders, fetching the values from the database. Let's open up the second one, and you should be able to see the second document as well. So we just got this document and the other document that was created instantly through PDF output, mapping the values from the database. Okay, so this is how you use PDF output to create documents. But the best part is you can click on setup Notion automation once everything is correctly set up, and now all the PDFs are completely automated. This means you do not need to use PDF output again and again to set up everything from scratch, as once everything is correctly set up, you can simply click on submit and a new entry appears over here, and then you can click on ready to generate to convert the same to PDF file. So whenever a new entry appears, simply mark it as ready to generate and the PDF will be created right over here in the database. This makes the process truly effortless, and it becomes easy to create PDF, as you do not need to juggle between PDF output and the database to create PDF. As whenever you are comfortable with the placeholder setting in the document and you are ready to generate PDF, simply mark it as Notion automation. Click on setup Notion automation and mark this records as ready to generate for the new entries which are appearing, and the PDF will directly get created over here. So this makes the automation happen live inside the database, and it works 24/7, 365 days to create unlimited PDFs for you right inside the database. I hope this explanation was clear to you. If you still have any questions left, use this chat bubble and send me a message with whatever queries you might be having. I'll be able to address the same. You can also go to the contact section at the bottom of the home page, where you will be able to send me an email with your issues on this, and I'll be able to guide you with whatever issues you might be having. You can go with a free demo session where I'll be taking you step by step on how to use this tool and make the best advantage of this. I hope you start automating the PDFs for your use case, and as you can see, it has started processing this document, and it will convert the same into PDF file as we were demoing this document, and it has completely transformed two documents and generated two PDFs out of it the moment we had marked it as ready to generate. So this is how the automation works.